Okay guys, so I see you're trying the bonus problems on the assignment today. If you are, it's because they're a little bit more intricate than the first 10 problems. These ones are asking you to still simplify expressions, but you may come across some things that you haven't seen before. For instance, we always start with distributing. When we're distributing, normally, in the past, we have not had to multiply an x times another x before. Okay? So an x times an x gives us an x squared. So negative x times positive x is negative x squared. And then here, we're multiplying negative x times z. Okay, so we're multiplying two different letters together. First of all, a negative times a negative gives us a positive, and 1 times 4 is 4. Now, x times z. X times z is just going to give us xz. Remember, when you don't see a symbol between the letters, that means multiplication. So that's what it would look like when you multiply two different variables together. Okay, the rest, there's no more distribution, so I'm going to bring everything else down. Now that we've distributed, that's step number 1. Okay, step number 2 is to combine any like terms. Now, to be alike, they not only have to be the same letters, but they have to be the same exponents. For instance, I cannot combine an x and an x squared together. Okay, that cannot happen because they don't have the same exponents. But I can combine an x squared with another x squared. So we have a negative 1x squared minus 4x squared, which gives us negative 5x squared. And then, do we have any more that can be combined? Well, we have a 4xz and a 1xz. They are both xz's, therefore they can be combined. They have the same letters, they both have x and they both have z, and they have the same exponents. So 4xz's plus 1xz is 5xz. And there's nothing to combine this 10 with, so the minus 10 just gets brought down. You know you're done and have your final answer when you have one of each type of term. We have one x squared term, we have one xz term, and we have one constant. We have nothing else to combine. That is our final answer. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you again on Tuesday.